Welcome to iKhethelo Children's Village, a safe haven and home to 45 incredible children, each with dreams and potential waiting to flourish. Here, we provide a nurturing family environment, essential education, and life-changing opportunities, enabling our children to grow, learn, and build brighter, empowered futures. However, our journey has challenges. Frequent power outages mean no running water, disrupted education, compromised safety, and challenging living conditions. The lack of stable electricity impacts everything, from cooking nutritious meals to securing safe spaces after dark. Our children's health, safety, and their ability to thrive are under constant threat. But there's hope, and that's where you can help. Our solution is simple yet transformative, converting the village to sustainable solar power. With solar energy, we will secure constant electricity and safe, reliable water from our rainwater harvesting systems. Children can study uninterrupted, nutritious meals can be prepared consistently, and every child can feel safe and secure in a bright, stable environment. We invite your generous support. Your investment will bring lasting change, lighting up lives today and transforming futures for generations to come. Every rand you give towards iKhethelo's solar project will be doubled, thanks to a generous UK donor who will match the first 300,000 rand raised, helping us reach our 600,000 rand goal. We've got the sun, now all we need is the solar. Be part of lighting up a brighter future. Visit our website to learn more and donate today.